In today's video, I am going to teach you how to cancel Grammarly subscription and get full refund. First, make sure you are on a computer browser for the smoothest experience. Open Grammarly.com and sign in to the account that holds the subscription. Take a moment to confirm you are in the right profile, especially if you've used multiple email addresses in the past, because refunds and cancellations only apply to the active, paid account you are logged into. Once you are signed in, look to the bottom left corner of the page for your profile icon. Click it to open your account options. From there, head into Account, then select Subscription. This is the hub where you'll see your current plan, billing frequency, and renewal date. It's a good idea to note that renewal date now, since timing can affect refund eligibility. On the subscription page, scroll down until you find the Cancel Subscription option. Click Cancel Subscription and then follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Grammarly may ask why you are canceling or offer alternatives, such as pausing your plan. Keep moving through the prompts until you complete the cancellation flow. Read each screen, because this is where Grammarly will display key details about what happens next, including whether a refund applies to your situation. As you proceed, watch for wording about a refund, especially if you were recently charged or are within a trial or grace period that allows a full refund under Grammarly's current policy. If you see a refund confirmation during the prompts, note any timeframes mentioned for the credit to appear on your original payment method. Refunds typically take several business days to process, depending on your bank or card provider. When you finish the cancellation, look for a confirmation message on the site and check your email for a confirmation. Notice that message is your record that auto-renewal is off and, if applicable, that a refund has been initiated. You can also revisit Account, then Subscription, to verify that your plan no longer shows an upcoming renewal. A quick tip: these steps apply to subscriptions purchased directly through Grammarly.com. If you originally subscribed through a mobile app store, that store may have its own refund rules and cancellation process. Also, remember that canceling usually means your premium features remain active until the end of your current billing period, unless the prompts explicitly confirm an immediate refund and termination. That's it. You've signed in, opened your subscription page, scrolled down, clicked Cancel Subscription, and followed the prompts to secure your cancellation and, where eligible, a full refund. Thanks for watching.